It's always fun working on a wedding project. It really all comes down to the details. You have a chance to add so many creative elements to really make the event your own. I had a chance to design a card box. This is the first time I've worked on one of this style. I've done others. They're a little more simple, one layer. But this design was a little more elaborate and it required a little more research and a little more creativity. I was able to locate blush, champagne, and ivory chiffon flowers online with a little bit of beading to accent. I also found some mesh ribbon to add to the design. I purchased nesting paper mache boxes and I took each one and stacked one on top of the other. Then with a tool, I was able to cut a section out. I painted all of the boxes one by one, and once that paint dried, I was able to attach the mesh ribbon using my hot glue gun. After attaching the mesh ribbon, I added each of the chiffon flowers to create a custom look. It was a great way to accept gifts and also match the decor of the wedding. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reaves.